Hello folks, I'm Anticio Duke. Thank you for joining the fun. It's been a while since we've gotten a chance to talk, but let's get into some product design. As much as the UIs on these new apps are becoming way more stunningly attractive, let's not overlook their functionality. So today, let's look into some things that'll help you go beyond the colors. All right? If that's your jam like it is mine, stay tuned for more. Product design, product design, product design, product design. If looking at going beyond the colors has everything to do with functionality. When you're looking at designing different digital products, whether it be a full website, a mobile app, or something for the tablet like a kiosk or something custom, I know it's one thing to have creative direction and push the brand forward with being very UI attractive. Let's not forget why you're actually creating this product to begin with. You're trying to execute on the task. You're trying to serve up information, be utilitarian, whatever your goals are. You want to make action from that product. So tip number one, make sure that you're using some kind of framework to execute on your tasks. This could be design thinking framework, where you're empathizing, strategizing, creating plans, prototypes to test things, and then you're making these adjustments as you go along. It could be something like the double diamond, where design and research intersect. And it's in these convergence and divergence spaces where you have the most innovation. You're using these disciplines to work through the process of design. You can use it in design, you can use it in your everyday life. But either way, make sure your framework helps you build the right solution for the right task. The second tip I want to provide today is avoid focusing on beautiful screens. This is not to say that visual design does not have prominence in the process. All the embellishments, the gradients, these different styles make for a beautiful UI, but they don't allow for function all the time. So if we avoid trying to make things attractive and use something as simple as a wireframe to get the functionality or lay the content out, those things help us then decide what's the best way we should allow our users to take action and complete a task. Shout out to you UI designers. I'm one myself. I'm showing you all kinds of love. Here's also a tip for you. Try to focus heavily on the function, because then they'll understand that it's easy to use and it's also beautifully attractive to engage with. It's a pro tip. Bam! Mic drop. And the third tip we'll talk about that is going beyond the colors of design, and that's make it iterative. Whatever framework you come up with, whatever you decide to go with, make sure your process allows for a lot of prototype and iteration. You won't hit it out the park the first swing. So these small steps toward improving the product, towards getting a better design, towards adapting that brand and making sure it's reinforced with the user, it's going to take some time. So for you newbies out there, don't beat yourself up. Understand that you are making progress throughout every design choice, every critical feedback session, every time your product is in the hands of users and or stakeholders, you will get some feedback. You should at least get feedback and take those learnings and build from them. But just know, there's hardly ever any final state. Why? Users' needs change, technology changes, and change is inevitable. But as long as you have a process, you can adapt to that change and make great solutions building from there. Well, look, that's all I have today to help you and give you some guidance to step beyond just the colors and the UI elements. Who knows? You might take this framework and adopt it to your lifestyle. I know I have. Been a better person ever since. Keeping it going daily. Daily progress is being made. Consider giving this video a like if you find value in it. Share it with someone you feel can get value from it. And as always, consider subscribing, because we're here to talk about design and everything else great in life. All right? So that's all we have today. But you know my motto, your life has color. So make sure to design it that way. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.